Hey guys, welcome back. Now one of the questions that I've got from the comment section was, hey, from the chapter 1, can you please explain about unreasonable effectiveness of the data, which is mentioned in the page number 24. Now if I want to give you a brief explanation as what it actually mean, well here they're saying about the importance of data. If you have observed in the book, they have a representation that would go like this. So there is a diagram which says millions of words, and on along the y-axis it actually represent my accuracy, which is actually my test accuracy, and they have represented the accuracy on the test data on various models. So maybe this is a model 1 for Naive, there's one more model for perceptron, there's one more model on memory based model. So likewise there are multiple models that we have. Now what they're trying to explain over here in this diagram is they're trying to say it as my data size increases, my model accuracy is also will be increased, which means not only we have to concentrate on the model selection and using the better and better algorithm, we also have to invest ourselves in getting the right data, because right data is a backbone for any machine learning model. So please remember guys, whenever you want to improve the model's accuracy, concentrate on getting the quality data along with performing the hyperparameter tuning. Now, if you're working with business data, always ask the business for getting you the more data and making sure that the data that you have is representing the overall population. Most often we observe that the sample that they share it with us will not be in sync with the entire population. Make sure you get a stratified sample, and also work on improving the quality of data along with spending time on improving the model. I hope this answered the query that you might have on what it actually means by unreasonable effectiveness of the data. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.